Hey, good morning. I thought I'd go through what your assignments are for Monday. Now, I'm seeing not a lot of people doing these assignments or people getting confused. Now, the topic is kind of complex, but how to get the info, you can do this. So I want you to see what I would see if I were going to my page and what I think you need to do. Please remember, you can pause my video whenever you want. You can also put the subtitles on the bottom of the screen, and you can change the language. Okay, I can show you again how to do that, but it's important you know. All right, so I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see what I see when I look at your assignments. Right now, this is what I have put on for Monday for my other classes. For you guys, I have just started. I've put this part on, but I haven't put the videos yet, I don't think. Okay, now, what I would do is watch the videos first, and I'm going to put my video over there too, but it works just like these. So if I wanted to watch this video, okay, you click on it, and it's YouTube, so it should come up fine. I'm going to turn its volume down. I hope you can still hear me. I'm going to make it bigger.
Hi, my name is Lamore Free, and I am an engineer here at Adafruit Industries.
And now I'm going to click on
this is where I do engineering and design, and I design circuits for fashion and music and technology.
And everything she says is put right down on the bottom.
And I'm a software developer.
But it's English. So I go here to settings. I go to subtitles. And I can change to any language. So over here,
computers work on ones and
I'm
zeros.
going to change it
Or
to
you may have seen scary looking visuals
Spanish.
like this. But almost nobody today actually deals directly with these ones and zeros.
If I felt like I missed something, I can pause it. And I can read the words while she's talking. Now I'm a little bit confused because as I looked at the screen, I didn't see any Arabic. And so Nori, you may have to pause it in English and just watch it more than once, and I'm sorry about that. When it's my video, when you go down to this portion, Arabic is right at the top of the list. So let's see if I can, oh, wait, there it is. I went to auto translate first, and now I can see it in Arabic. So everybody can read it in their language if that's helpful, okay? So please make sure you do that. So this particular assignment has two different videos. This one, how computers work, and then the one underneath it is another little video, and it's all about binary code using ones and zeros. And I would definitely watch these before the assignment. The idea is everything, sounds, light, colors, movies, everything. Computers translate them into zeros and ones, and those things are called bits, and they put 8 bits together, and those are called a byte. Okay, it's kind of easy once you get it. Okay, so you watch these videos, and I'll put another video, and it might be a video of me, and well, actually, it'll be a video of me, for sure. There might be times I add a video with a different physics teacher, and that's okay too. You can still do the same thing with closed caption and translate. Now, once you've seen the videos, go to the assignments. The first one, how are you hearing me? So when you click on that, I don't know why it's taking me a sec. There we go. Click on it. And the first thing you do is go to this, the blue. Don't go down here to the assignment. Go right here, click. And it's going to show you in full size the assignment to do. It takes a minute right now because I guess my Wi-Fi is slow. So here's the assignment, and you're going to read through, and let's say you start reading it and you're like, oh my gosh, Ms. Elarth, there are so many words. Okay, would it be better if it was in Spanish or Nuri in Arabic? If you think that would be better, you can actually do this. You can go right here to Tools, click on Tools, Translate, choose a language, and so I can do Nuri's right here, Arabic, translate. Look and see, here it comes. Voila. So if that's easier, so Nuri can read down through this. I can't explain anything on this screen because I don't know what it means, okay? So I might instead, I'd rather do it in English, but if you'd rather do it in Spanish, same way. You go to Tools, Translate, lots of languages, Spanish, translate, and takes a minute. Voila! Here it is in Spanish. Now, Spanish is a little closer to English. I could figure out a few things on here, but I would not be good at this. But if you want to read it in your language, that's fine. When you finish reading this article, it's kind of divided into parts, and I'm going to just close these two for a minute. Okay. So it talks about what happens when you talk into the phone, and you'll see all these ones and zeros. The videos explain that. So the way this works is every 8 of these letters, or numbers, sorry. So here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those first 8, they represent something, a letter, a number, something like that, okay? So you'll read through this, and this is talking about then how your phone sends information to your friend's phone. Your friend's phone sends information to their ear. What's good about digital information? And down here, tell me a few good things, a few advantages, and a few things that are not so good, okay? The next part talks about coding. And when it says this right here on your main homepage, I also put a table about ASCII, and that's how you say that. ASCII is the computer system that we call binary codes. Binary, bi means two numbers, 0, 1. So this says we take 8 bits, each one is a 0 or a 1, and 8 bits equals 1 byte, okay? So here it says if I want an exclamation point, it's 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. It's hard for people to do, but computers are so good at reading this. So this part says with ASCII, it breaks it into 8 bits, and those 8 bits, either ones or zeros, represent a number, a letter, a symbol, all sorts of things. And so a computer gets this, all those numbers strung together. You have to figure that out on this assignment. So I put the first 3 are dark, so that's how you know it's changing to a different bit. So the first one starts with 0, 1, 1. Now, this says if it starts with 0, 0, 1, it's a number. 0, 1, 1 is a letter. 0, 1, 1, letter. The next ones are 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So 0, 1, 1, none of those. Nope, nope. Oh, here's a 0, 1, 1. But my next one, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, nope. 0, 0, 1, nope. 0, 0, 1, nope. 0, 0, 1. Yeah. Okay. And then the last two little bits are 0, 0. So 0, 0, 1, or I'm sorry, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. All of that work, that's a D. Okay, this gets a little easier, but I didn't give you any that are too hard to find. So I went through and I said, okay, this part, the first bite is a D. Second bite, O. Third bite, G. There's one slight problem with that. This one isn't actually on this page anywhere. How are you supposed to know that then? So back here at your home page, I also gave you the entire code. Every symbol you could need in the world is right there. Okay, it's going to take it a second to open just because my Wi-Fi is slow. But you could use this and you're never going to have a problem then. Let's see. I'm gonna put okay, come on. Still thinking. Oh, here it is. Look at all that. That's a ton of info. So for this assignment, I would say start with just, I'm sorry, start with just what's here. And if you don't have something like there's missing info, then go to this big table, okay? Even though it seems like a lot of work, if you get what this is, I only asked you to do 2 and then a little message of your own. And it can be short. It doesn't have to be a speech. You could say blue. You could say food. I mean, whatever you want, but I want you to write the code for me, okay? When you're done, submit that assignment. Easy. The next one is this messaging homework. This one we used to do really differently, but being at home, it's kind of hard. And so what I'm going to tell you is that I think this assignment is going to take you a long time. Not that it's really a hard or really long assignment, but just there's a lot of looking back and forth from the table to the paper. And so I'm going to tell you this is your assignment for Monday and Wednesday. Okay, no new assignment. I want both of these turned in by Thursday. Okay, So for some reason, this is taking too long. I will double check my link and make sure it works okay. I think it should, but I think it's just that a lot of people are on internet right now. So I'll make sure this works, but basically what I'm doing in this assignment is just asking you if you could make up your own codes. So let me scroll down and see if I can open it right here. Yeah, I think I'm having Wi-Fi trouble here. Here it comes. Okay, so here's the assignment. If you feel like a link is not working, like right now it's so slow, I think it's here and I think it's fine, but if you go to do an assignment and you can't get it to work, please send me an email because I will check and see if I did things right or if I did something wrong. This one's taking so long, it's unresponsive. Let's see if I close more stuff, if it helps. I'll give it a minute, and if it doesn't open, then I'll just check on it later, and I might add a second video later. But basically, it's just saying, how would you code some different kinds of things? And it's looking like it's so slow. I'll do a second video for you later. We'll talk about this one. Dang it. Okay. So do the first assignment, and I forgot to mention, I also put the slides there. So when you go and look at the slides, I hope the slides are going to help you out too. They're right here. And hopefully everything's going to work better for you than it's working for me right now. One more try, and then we'll see. Magic. Okay, so again, if you don't want to do it in English, you can go to Tools, and you can do Translate, and change it to another language. For now, I'm not going to, okay? So this just says, how would you send the number 7? So on this one, all you have to do, I closed everything down to make my computer faster, so sorry, I have to open it again. You can use this reference table. And so if the question is, how do I make a 7 with bits? I would look on here when it loads and find right here, it says the character, here's the number 7 right there. I know on your computer it might be small, and so you can wait and see it on yours, but basically it says 001 10111. I write that down right here. I just write it down and then I'm done, okay? 45, I look up 4 and then 5. I look up K, okay? That's all there is to it. If you have trouble, please ask me, email or office hours. And I would like you to try and get both of these in by Thursday. And so I'm going to make this your Monday and your Wednesday because I think it's kind of a lot. Okay? I hope you're doing well. Please let me know what you need. I think that's all I have for you. Bye-bye.